fit check. So I'm wearing this. Kind of cold today. This is our third day, second day.
Second day. Bye. So, ayan. Check. Good morning! Good afternoon na pala. Second day. Medyo malamig. Mas malamig ngayon. Today the weather is good. Okay, going to find a place to eat brunch, lunch and breakfast together. Brunch. As we wake up so late. Wala masyadong tao ngayon, no? Sa daan. Sunday ba ngayon? Not so much people. Sa taas siya. Cafe de Coral is upstairs.
Connected sila?
Connected siya. So it's upstairs. Let's go. Ito yung bridge. McDonald's. Nasaan siya? Where's cafe? Sa kabila, wala sa kabila. Wala sa taas yung Cafe de Coral. Ito pala. Ito pala siya, oh. In between. Oh yeah, it's correct. Yeah, entrance is here. Beef. That's chicken rice. You want? Okay. Choose F1, F21. Just guys, E1. Yours? What number? Two barbecue.
Crispy roast.
Wala pa yung order natin dyan. So, beef brisket. Chicken rice. Her favorite. Then, two barbecue.
No? Roasted other
Char-siu tsaka roasted pork siya. Huh? How's the breakfast? How's the meal?
It's nice, but it's kind of... I lost my appetite.
Me too. Actually, the beef is nice. The curry is nice. But the beef is tough.
I'm rated 5.
Then,
I
what?
lost my appetite.
Your chicken rice how? Nice. Because there's someone is sneezing beside us.
Not sneezing.
Blowing the nose, I mean. So now we're going to the Peak Central Station.
Sige pa, harap pa.
Outside Central Station. Take a rest and take some pictures. Nice pose. On the way to the Peak Tram. This lane is for online ticket purchase. This is the queue for buying ticket on site. Longer queue, so better buy your tickets online.
Let's go. while waiting for the queue. Wait. Yeah, yun yung entrance.
The train finally arrived.
Nakasakay na tayo ng big tram. Yan. Nag-share na lang sila ng upuan. Wala na kasi upuan. Nahuli kami sa pagpasok. Here we go. Uphill. Bakit na? Wow, so sick. Taas oh. Taas. Ay, para tayo nakatagilid. See? Wow. It's really steep. Yung camera. Medyo foggy lang siya, no? Okay. Medyo foggy. Punta na tayo sa, what do you call that? Sky Terrace, 428. This way. Pakyat na tayo sa ano, Sky Terrace, 428. Nice. Last time we went here night time. So this time, yeah, we went this before. So this time we're going daytime. So we can see the view better. Yes. Kasama din sa package.
Sa package?
Kasama sa package na binili ko. Ah. Mga ano siguro to, mga 10 escalator bago makarating. Nice view. Wow.